खाली cyst belt नहीं, but all cyst belts are not gold BHG. But many cyst belts there, though not in the economic scale, but they are gold BHG. Gold and और क्या है? ब्रोमाइड भी मिलेगा आपको। गोल्ड के साथ टंगस्टन भी अकर करता है, ब्रोमाइड। So in these greenstone belts, now you will find lot of basic, ultra basic intrusions, which bears this chromite, dunite, pyrrhotite, pyroxenites. These are the intrusions in these greenstone belts. Oh, now I'll just give a few names, so that you will not be caught unaware, what is this? मैं लिखता हूँ, थोड़ा सा just be patient. So this map we have drawn ना, एक जगह दिखाता हूँ, चित्रदुर्गा. Where is चित्रदुर्गा? चित्रदुर्गा is somewhere here. More different colors ना. अब थोड़ा देखो, here is चित्रदुर्गा. So कुछ few names I'm writing here. S is Shimoga. Shimoga actually another thing. Here is S. Shimoga. Then other names I will not write. H is Hassan. H, somewhere here Hassan. Hassan. Approximately I am telling you. Then Sargur. In the transition zone Sargur. Here S is Sargur. S is Shimoga. S1 is Shimoga. S2 is Sargur. तो लिख के रखो, मैं बाद में लिखता हूँ. S में लिख दिया हासन. M is Mysore. M is Mysore. Somewhere here is Mysore. Approximately I am writing there. D is Dharwad. Where is Dharwad? चित्रदुर्गा का ऊपर है धरवार है. धरवार. But I will write it again. Just wait. B this side. B is Bellary. This side. Bellary. Bangalore is this side. नहीं लिखो, ठीक है. Bangalore लिखा. Kolar. Kolar is here. So where is Kolar? Kolar यहाँ लिखा है क्या? इधर तो यार इतने लिखो, not many. I was thinking where Baba Buddhan is there. Baba Buddhan like this, there are so many cyst belts. Names are there. So you can say this is Dharwad cyst belt here, Chitradurga cyst belts. Close to this place, Bellary cyst belts, Kolar cyst belts, Hassan cyst belt, Shimoga cyst belt, Mysore cyst, like that different cyst, Sargur cyst belts are there. Understood, na? Different names. Now this cyst belt you see, suppose you take a cross section, ऐसे cross section like this. You could draw a cross section like this. So from here to here, let us draw a cross section. बंद कर दो. Understand what I am doing? If I draw a cross section, this will appear like this. Let me explain this cross section. Like the open spaces are peninsular nices. You see the open spaces peninsular nices. In between, you have one cyst belt, another cyst belt, another cyst belt. So these are the cyst belts. I have given V symbol to it. Why V symbol I am giving? Because of the volcanics, igneous rocks dominance. ऐसे लगता है आप एक क्रॉस सेक्शन लेंगे, यहाँ आके चित्र क्लोज पर ड्रॉ है क्या है? Suppose I am roughly I am telling you. As if no cyst belts are implanted in the peninsular nice. Narrow cyst belts. This is a ischius cross section. So individually it is a synclomerium. Individually this is a syncline or synclomerium. So each cyst belt is a syncline. अब दोनों साइड पे यू सी फ्रैक्चर्स, ऐसे फ्रैक्चर आपको मिलेंगे बाउंडेड बाय फ्रैक्चर्स. समझा कि नहीं समझा? ऐसा सिस्ट बेल्ट बैठा है ऐसा, इस तरफ एक फ्रैक्चर, इस तरफ मतलब ये सब इधर एक फ्रैक्चर जाएगा इन 3 डायमेंशन. यू नो सरफेस यू सी दिस फ्रैक्चर. But if you take a cross section, understood na? No problem so far. Now, so it is a linear map pattern but synclinal cross section. It means that linear pattern on the surface. So it is a linear pattern on the surface. Synclinal pattern in the cross section. That is how greenstone belts are defined. So this is just like floating, you know, in the TTC. TTC का मतलब जो float कर रहा है, raft से. Understood ना? Now this area has been extensively worked, thorough work. They have found out some conglomerates. Conglomerate what does it indicate? Conglomerate क्या indicate करता है? Unconformed. क्या unconformed मतलब क्या है? Exposure to the surface. हर जगह मिलता है. क्यों? पानी में रहेगा तो क्या बोलेगा? पानी मीन्स सी ना. सी में चला जाएगा तो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट मिलेगा. आप कभी गया बे ऑफ बंगाल के पास कॉन्ग्लोमरेट है तो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट किधर मिलता है? कॉन्ग्लोमरेट इज डिपोजिशनल फीचर और इरोजनल फीचर. इरोजनल फीचर कहाँ मिलता है? रिवर. ये सी में नहीं मिलता. अभी कॉन्ग्लोमरेट किधर है? हिमालय में. हिमालय जाओगे तो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट मिलेगा. Even other rivers also, Krishna, Godavari, you will also get conglomerates, but mostly they are the type conglomerate. If you want to see, go to Himalaya. The energy condition is so much, you know, it will form a real conglomerate, ellipsoidal conglomerate. तो यहाँ से बोल्डर मिलेगा, ऐसे बोल्डर मिलेगा. कृष्णा गोदावरी जाओ. So then what happened? ये कैसे unconfirmed बनेगा? The whole thing has to go inside the sea. यही है ना? Inside sea जाएगा तभी जाएगा होगा ना? That is the story of erosional surface. Now it is a erosional surface. Surface में erosion हो रहा है, conglomerates are being dumped. The whole thing, if it goes inside the sea, then sea में sandstone, shale, limestone deposit होगा. So this conglomerate, you know, will indicate once upon a time this surface was above the sea level. Suppose नागपुर एरिया चला जाता है सी का अंदर. How the unconfirmed plane will be defined? यहाँ तो conglomerate है ही नहीं. नागपुर, बॉम्बे, यहाँ तो conglomerate है ही नहीं. होगा भी तो डिफाइन करेगा. If there is a small river, it will definitely define this is the erosional surface. नहीं है तो soils will be there, thick soil. Soil होगा ना. आप यहाँ जो खोदते हैं कि जाए आपका गांव में खोदते हैं वो सॉइल है, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंडिकेशन ऑफ इरोजन और एक्सपोजर टू द सरफेस, soil or conglomerate, whatever it may be. So that means if this greenstone has conglomerates, what does it mean? There are some rivers, some deposition was taking place, erosion was happening, then it went inside the sea. So it is some conglomerate also. So those conglomerates will define what? Erosional surface. Understood? Na? So whatever is above it is a younger formation, and whatever is below it is a older formation. That is what it tells you. Conglomerate has a significance. Similarly, soil has a significance. It defines a stratigraphic marker. So in these schist beds, the people have identified number of conglomerate beds, conglomerates, suggesting these are the erosional surface or non-depositional surface. So whatever is lying above and whatever is lying below, they are of different age. You don't understand these things now. That is what you must have read in sedimentology also. Based on that, these greenstone beds have been classified into different succession, younger, older succession. So वो मैं आपको ज़्यादा याद नहीं रखना पड़ेगा, मैं लिख के देखता हूँ. It is very easy to remember also. You need not have to mug up. क्या बोलता है? इसको रिमूव करता हूँ. आप देखो WDC this side, EDC this side. क्या लिखा है WDC में? The oldest is Gorur Gneiss. Age 3004. This is the oldest age. Then there is one schist belt, Sargur group. Then Peninsular Gneiss. Then Baba Budhan group. Another schist belt, Baba Budhan group, then Chitradurga. Details I am not giving here. Chitradurga. Understood na? This belongs to Dharwar supergroup. Dharwar supergroup. So this is a schist belt, this is a schist belt. In between you have conglomerates. Here you have conglomerates. Now this is just a lecture of edges is very important. यहाँ आएगा close bed granite is intruding into it, which has a 2600 million years. But I am giving you exact age, थोड़ा एज लिख के रखो आप. Spelling can you remember na? Sargur group, Baba Budhan group, Chitradurga group. Sargur group 3400 to 300 2900 2700. इसमें 300 से चालू हो रहा है. ये 300 से चालू है. This is Kolar group. Kolar group. यहाँ आ गया धरवर बाथोली, धरवर बाथोली 2500 ना आप लेके रखो. So these are the cyst belts. Cyst belts have been classified. Sargur cyst belt, Bababudhan cyst belt, Kadurga cyst belt. There is an important unit, you know, that is called champion nice. That is also cyst belt. Here is champion nice. इसमें शॉर्ट नोट आ जाता है. champion nice. इतना आप लिखते रहो. ठीक है. मैं अभी क्या है very shortly I will write down the descriptions. Very short. Otherwise I will know the geology, you know. Very shortly लिखूंगा. See what is the Sargur nice is write down ultramafic, mafic, layered intrusive. Layered intrusive. Comatiides. Comatiides. BIF. Quartzites and marble. Quartzite and marble. 10% sedimentary rocks, 90% is this. This quartzite is fuchsite bearing. FUCH na? Fuchsite bearing, chromium bearing mica. You see, mafic, ultramafic, layered intrusives. Layered intrusives you know na? Chromite, pyritite, dunite, those rocks. Comatiides, what is in comatiides? KOMMEII, double I, comatiides. What is the comatiide? Spinifex texture. It shows spinifex texture. It is a volcanic dunite. Volcanic dunite you can see, or volcanic pyritites. This is a olivine bearing basalt. Olivine bearing basalt नहीं, olivine makes ultramafic rock. Volcanic rock. Volcanic rock. Spinifex texture. Olivine crystals are needle type, you know. Yes. Needle type. As if somebody has introven, you know, with these needles, olivine needles. The entire rock is full of this differently oriented, haphazardly oriented olivine crystals. Now, and these are the sedimentary rocks. Very thin. The BIF is one of them. Now you go to Bababudhan group. Let us see what is the rocks. Bababudhan group. Even if I don't say, you can also guess and write something, you know. Now I think metabasalt, then gabbro, basic and ultra basic rocks, comatiides with those things, BIF, phyllite. Similarly, Chitradurga group, you can write BIF, grave. What is the grave? Then you have those things, you know. Here there is manganese bearing.